Computer is an electronic device that processes and stores data, performs calculations, and executes instructions to carry out tasks. It can be used for a variety of functions, like browsing the internet, creating documents, playing games, and running software programs. The history of computers began with early tools like the abacus for calculations. In the 1800s, Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer, and Ada Lovelace became the first programmer. Early mechanical devices, before 1800s. Abacus, around 2000 BCE, one of the earliest devices for basic arithmetic calculations. Mechanical calculators, 17th century, invented by Blaise Pascal, Pascaline, and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. These could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In the 1940s, the first electronic computers like ENIAC were built using vacuum tubes. By the 1950s, transistors made computers smaller and faster. In the 1960s, integrated circuits improved computing even more. In 1971, the invention of the microprocessor led to the development of personal computers like the Apple I and IBM PC in the 1970s and 80s. Since then, computers have become central to daily life, from desktops to smartphones. Charles Babbage, 1822, known as the father of the computer, Babbage designed the difference engine, and later the analytical engine, a general-purpose mechanical computer. Though never fully built in his lifetime, the designs laid the foundation for future computers. Early mechanical devices. Ada Lovelace, 1843, often considered the first computer programmer. She worked on Babbage's analytical engine and developed algorithms for it. 1940s-1950s, vacuum tubes dominated early computers, like the ENIAC and UNIVAC I, the first commercially available computer. Mid-20th century, the electronic age, transistors, 1947, invented by Bell Labs. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes, leading to smaller, faster, and more reliable computers, beginning the second generation of computers. Personal computing revolution, 1970s-1980s, companies like Apple, Apple I, and II, IBM, IBM PC, and Microsoft, with its MS-DOS operating system, brought computers into homes and offices, making them accessible to everyday users. Integrated circuits and microprocessors, 1960s, integrated circuits, ICs, replaced transistors, leading to the development of third-generation computers, which were smaller and more powerful. 1970s, the invention of the microprocessor by Intel in 1971, starting with the Intel 4004, revolutionized computing by packing the CPU onto a single chip. This led to the rise of personal computers. Modern era, 1909 it is present, the development of the Internet, graphical user interfaces, GUIs, and powerful processors, along with innovations in mobile computing, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence, have made computers central to almost every aspect of modern life. Generations of computers. First generation, 1940s-1950s, used vacuum tubes. Second generation, 1950s-1960s, transistors replaced vacuum tubes. Third generation, 1960s-1970s, integrated circuits, ICs, were introduced. Fourth generation, 1970s present, microprocessors revolutionized computing, leading to personal computers and the Internet. Today, computers are everywhere, from smartphones to supercomputers, enabling tasks ranging from basic word processing to complex simulations and artificial intelligence.